I was gifted this pack and play from Lille Prins, so let's do a quick review. Honestly, I think that they might have thought of everything with this pack and play. I have a pack and play that's pretty similar to this. It has some of these added features, but I'm being honest when I say that I think this company went the extra mile. They have this gorgeous little baby bassinet, which has this minky fabric inside it, so it's just super soft for your baby. It's lined with netting everywhere, so on the baby bassinet, in the play yard, just everywhere that there's sightings, it's gonna have that netting. You're able to retract the sunshade and you can pop it back up. You also have this really nice changing station. If you have a newborn, you know that you get up at all hours of the night and you're gonna do a diaper change, so it's just nice to have everything right here. You have your bassinet, you have your changing station, which is 100% waterproof. I love that you have this shelving area for diapers, wipes, diaper cream, just everything is right there when you need it. I love also that you can just clip these on. I'll just kind of show you. It is a pretty tight clamp, which is exactly what you want because you want your baby to be safe. If you put some strength into it, you can just take it off and then you're gonna put it back on. I'm just actually gonna take this off so you can see the newborn insert. You can add this newborn insert into your play yard. This is where they can sleep once they've outgrown their bassinet. But this is just a super padded bottom piece that you're going to use for this top newborn insert as well as for the bottom when they're ready for that step. So one of the things that I love about this model of pack and play that makes it completely different from the one that I have is that this really went the extra mile to make sure that everything was secure and going to stay on tight. So this newborn insert is actually put on by a zipper that just lines the whole undercarriage of this siding. And then you're going to take this piece and you're gonna just lay it down in the bottom. Okay, so this is what it might look like if you have an older baby. Maybe your baby wants to sleep in here when you're on the go, which is what I like to do, but it also makes a really good playpen so that they're able to play with toys and kind of just be in a contained area that's big enough for them to experience things and play. I also love that you can keep the accessories clipped on at this point, or you can take them off. Honestly, this company just went way above and beyond, like I was saying before. I love that it has this play yard option. I love that you can make it into a bed for an older child, a bed for a younger child. It gives you the bassinet as well as the changing station. You just have so many capabilities that you can do with this bed. Honestly, you're not going to need much after you have this just because it gives you everything that you need. The bag that this pack and play comes with is so big that you are able to put everything in it if you want. Honestly, I was surprised that I got every single piece in there and it fit really easily. I think this is such a great product, and now I'm going to bring in my daughter to see if she wants to play in this new little play yard we have. What do you think?
You like it? Yeah? Is it good?